So now let's go back to the beginning here. Let's go to Excel, and now let's type in different values for each input. So let's start off with what we have here. Let's see what happens. So we go back to MATLAB, and let's run it. Let's run the section. So when we run it, it says, enter a value of D that's greater than LAB. Enter a new value of D. So again, it tells us this because, let's go back to Excel here. Now the reason why that pops out in the command window is because, as you can see here, we have 1 for D and we have 5 for LAB. Now because the reason why D is bigger than LAB here is because it turns it into the absolute value of the value. So then it's going to be 1 for D and 5 for LAB. And again, test 2 emphasizes on the fact that D should always be greater than LAB. And because of our while loop here, this is what pops up in the command window. So if we were to type in, let's say, another negative value, then we'll have the warning come up because you entered a negative value again, and it's supposed to be a positive value. So now let's try the number 6. So when you type that in, then you can see our graph here for the first time. So here we have our title, our Y label, our X label, and then we have our little legend here that shows you which is the tension of which. So the red is the tension of LAB, and then the tension of LAC is the blue. So now let's exit out here. So let's see, let's go back to Excel, and a great way for like an engineer to use this is if he's provided with a similar problem, he can type in whatever values he needs here in the Excel file. So let's say for D he has 7, and then for LAB he has 2, and then for the weight he has, let's say, 10 or something. So we just save it here. And then we go back to MATLAB and just click on Run Section. And then there you go. It shows up in the graph. And then the max for each shows up in the command window. So yeah, this would be very easy for an engineer to use. You know, fairly simple. So yeah, guys, I think that's it. I guess some limitations we had for this video, I guess, would be, you know, we each had to be with our family on Thanksgiving, so we were limited to the amount of time we had to do this project. On top of that, we had that MA8 assignment due for that Sunday. And we might have had more time to add to the graph or something, or create a variety of graphs. But yeah, it was very fun working with Chase and David. Had a great time, great guys. Well, that's it. Thank you.